use it more, but I made a mistake. I forgot to use heat protectant, so my hair is fried right now. Like, fried. I got a hot comb as an early birthday gift from someone, so I'm gonna get a silk press. Ooh, let's open it. I have been wanting a hot comb, or like something that can give me that straight hair that white people have, if you could say it that way. Forever. Because
something that can make it easy for you to brush and comb your hair without pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because no, but like I've always wanted to see myself how I look with like proper straight hair, because 4 years back when we first moved here, we attempted to give me a silk press, but it was more poofy. Anyway, here's the grandma.
She has been in the shop 3 times looking for these and buying the wrong ones.
Because first, the person that gifted it to me, she gave me a
Keep
hot
opening
comb.
while you're talking.
She gave me a flat iron, and that was wrong. And then I went to the shop to change it, and then I took the wrong brush that's like round, which is Mama said is outdated. Yeah. So I went back, and this was the last one in stock.
I think this is more better for our hair type. Wow, this is nice. REMINGTON. Wow. It has like this gold
pinkish.
Yeah. See? I think it's so beautiful.
Let me get in on that.
Okay, it came with some instructions on how to use it, and then it came with a bag, so when you're done with use, you can put it in.
Yeah. So this madam, she said she wants to see press her hair now. It's never going to happen. So no, it's late in the evening, guys. It's like 4 o'clock. It's late out. It's dark outside. We cannot show you our window because you're going to see our ring light. Or do we show them? No. There's a lot of people who do that. They do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
People don't care.
We don't.
Show them the window then. See? It's dark. 4 o'clock.
We're gonna trim Mama's.
Why am I also getting a red?
Because it's burning iron.
I'm trying to do it here. See? Your hair is tangled.
Yeah.
You have to. Give me the pink one.
Yeah, that thing is rotten. Do it with that one. It's okay, Kevin. Nina. Do the edges.
Whoa.
Small. That's how they do it.
You start with the edge and you build up.
It's working.
Mama with straight hair.
Good?
Yeah, it's just totally straight.
Odd, isn't it?
Huh?
You see that your hair is kind of long?
Yeah, your hair, kind of. Her hair is long.
And we have not straightened it very well. You can straighten it very well.
Can we get silk presses today?
No, we wait till the weekend.
Yeah. Even tomorrow, we can seek rest one person tomorrow.
Me.
Right after school. Because the light is still on. Guys, we really love this machine. It's so good. And today we have been eating some tomato
sandwich
and cheese sandwich.
Tomato toast.
Very good.
I'm going to try to silk press my hair. I don't remember the last time I silk pressed my hair, so I'm going to try to do that later.
Be careful, you should pull up your sleeves when you're silk pressing.
Okay. Ta-da! This has literally been a dream of mine.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
We're gonna silk press Kevin.
Yeah. We bought a silk press machine, guys.
At hot comb.
Hot comb. How much are you going to do?
Do like a good amount.
A good amount? Okay.
Like this much.
Boy is the one who is going to like this. He has always liked to straighten his hair.
Because it's so easy.
Yes. Ike-san?
No, because I think it looks funny.
Nah, you think it's very easy.
It just makes life like lemons. Okay. Eva. And his hair is not tangled because he brushed it every day.
Because I brush it every day.
Good job.
Eva.
That's good, Eva. So I made the mistake of not using heat protectant, so my hair is like fried right now, like fried. So I won't touch my hair with this iron for maybe like a month. But next time I will use heat protectant, and I think it's smart.
And you're going to show them.
Yeah. And I do think it's smarter to do it when you're fresh out of the shower, you've washed your hair, because it gets really dirty fast if your hair is not completely clean. And I watched tutorials and I learned that you blow dry your hair first. But first you come out, heat protect it, blow dry your hair, then heat protect it again and use this, and then it becomes straight. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Let's see how your hair looks like now. Don't behind, let's see. She's not very happy. What did your friend say?
My friend said it was nice, but yesterday it looked way better than it does now.
Yeah. It's still straight in a way.
Now it's more wavy.
Yeah. Okay. So we went ahead and silk pressed a little bit Kevin's hair.
No, we straightened it.
I'm straightening it. We keep saying silk press. It's not silk
now
press.
let me go over there so you guys can see the result after 2 days.
Yes, 2 days after.
My afro is just back.
Yes, his hair was difficult. Tell them.
We did the same routine we did on her and her, and when I woke up the next morning, I brushed my hair as I usually did, and yeah, basically just returned to normal. The entire bottom part here was completely curly, only the tips or the roots were straight. And then when I woke up today, it was just back to normal. Basically.
So, silk press.
Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching our first attempt on straightening our hair. Whoa! Whoa, Mama, this...
Oh my god, it works very well on Kevin's hair.
It's because it's filled with oil.
Ah.
It's cake.
Oh my god.
This is nice. And it shows how long. Kevin's hair is like very long.
Keep it separate from my forehead, please.
Is it close? Did I hit you?
The heat is like feeling it.
He's so afraid. Take it away from my forehead, he said.
It's like feeling a tiger roar directly in your face.
Don't worry, I'm not that careless. Maybe I am, but...
I'm getting my silk press. Mama, that burn!
Be still. I ain't even touch your scalp.